Hello everyone, welcome to Sugar Monster. Yay! Please buy my stuff. Hello, my name is Mattia and I am the creator and founder of Sugar Monster. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. This is my baby, these are my babies, this is what I have for you to see right now. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. So Sugar Monster is my business. It is body scrubs. That is what we are starting out with, but there are many things coming, many things. So you're probably like, why is this weird purple girl talking to me about body scrubs? Look, I don't really have the answer to that. I don't know why I say anything, but all I do know is that I love these products and I hope you guys love them too, and I hope that you'll check them out. This isn't really gonna work, but this is them. This is them. So if you've seen on the Instagram page, we have 4 flavors, scents, I don't know what you would call them. We have Miss Viola Violet, Mr. Charlie Buzz, Beauty Queen, Misty May, and my personal favorite, Lil Alien. There'll be some videos coming, going in depth of each and every one of them, and I guess, you know, why they're so unique and special. But yeah, those are my little babies. They are all vegan and cruelty free. I'm trying to be cute right now, but this is it working? And just, you know, they just smell really good. So I wanted to create something that was a little bit unique, a little bit special, and also to show people that, you know, you can be a little bit quirky and a little bit different and still be accepted, especially in the beauty community where, you know, personally I think it is very hard, especially for young girls, to feel accepted. And, you know, I wanted to show that you can be weird and quirky, have bright purple hair, and still be okay. Because we're all unique in our own way, and you know what? We deserve to stand out. So make sure you stand out just like my Sugar Monsters. Sugar Monster is more than just a business, than just a brand. It is a community. And I want to create a place where people who say feel a little bit like a little monster, they can all come together and feel accepted, strong, confident, unique, and just bloody awesome. Okay, so you can check these out at sugarmonster.com.au. Link is in the description, in the bio, whatever it is, and you can pick one up there for yourself. So that's a quick little intro. Make sure you head to the website, check them out, and if you do, please tag me with the hashtag sugarmonsterscrubs. So that's it, I'm gonna stop talking now, but I hope you check them out and I hope you love them as much as I do. I reckon I can do this. Just give me a sec, hang on. Like, look. Look, they're just really cool, okay? See?